Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and connectivity. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% charge and your iPhone Bluetooth is on. Open the Watch app and follow pairing. Use the camera overlay for faster alignment, or enter the pairing code if needed. Once paired, sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud backup so settings and health data sync. This initial step guarantees your devices communicate and preserves data, making later feature setup smooth and reversible. Once paired, customize watch faces and complications to surface the info you use most. Press and hold the face to edit. Next, manage notifications and focus so alerts mirror priorities on your iPhone. This reduces interruptions while keeping essentials visible. Dive into health and activity settings. Set your move goals, enable heart rate, EC, and fall detection if you want automatic emergency responses. Make sure permissions are granted. Apps won't record or alert. Now leverage advanced controls. Use gestures and Siri for hands-free actions and create shortcuts for multi-step routines to save time. Keep watchOS updated and monitor storage. Offload unused apps to maintain performance. If a feature stops working, restart both devices first. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections are stable. As a last resort, unpair and repair or perform a reset. This restores system settings, while iCloud backup returns your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.